My name's Dr. Michael Green. I'm the Chief Medical Officer of Winona. And this month's hot topic is, what is the timeline of the menopause transition? This is really an interesting question because everybody experiences things a little bit differently. The average age that women complete menopause in the United States is 51, but 15% of women complete menopause by 45. The symptoms of the menopause transition can start 7 to 10 years before menopause is completed. So if you're one of those 1 in 6 that complete menopause by 45, you may have symptoms as early as 35 years old. So there's a big range here between, say, 35 and all the way up to 60 of when people first start experiencing the menopause transition. How does the timeline work? Generally, people start with mild symptoms and they build and build. And then there's sort of a peak of symptoms just as the periods stop. And then eventually some of those symptoms will gradually go away. That's the typical timeline that people see, although quite honestly, it can be different for everyone.